Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, guys, and today we are back again with another interesting project, guys. Today we have a Solana fan token, or we could say meme coin, kind of. It is called Mario on Solana, guys, and as you can see, it is from our favorite childhood game, Mario Bros, guys. Before we get into the review, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can jump right into it, guys. So Mario on Solana, guys. Many of you have requested me to cover some more fresh crypto projects, some meme coins, some pre-sales, guys. So, well, as you already know, I always want to deliver the best content to you. So here I am with this one, and as you can see, it is in fact a pre-sale project, guys. Pre-sale is starting in 20 hours, and once you are seeing this video, the pre-sale is already up. Okay, I'm definitely publishing this video right when the pre-sale starts. Okay, so we will see if they will sell out, and I think they will sell out easily. But yeah, basically they have a lot of things that they are promising here. They are fully audited by Cyberscope. That's the first thing that I wanted to show you. It is the fact that they have been audited by Cyberscope, because it always shows the legitimacy, and as you can see, it has been deemed as low risk, so that's always good to see. When it comes to their website, it's pretty simple and straight to the point. There is no need for any additional info. You have some partners, as you can see, some big names: Cyberscope, DexTools, PinkSale, DexView. Then you have their tokenomics. Of course, they are on Solana, so you already guys know the Solana hype is incredible, so this could really go to the moon. And speaking of to the moon, I actually will make a video on to the moon for this project as well, because the team has decided, the Mooncalls team has decided to cover it as well, which is pretty cool, because I will make 2 videos in fact. Anyways, there is 10% for centralized exchanges, guys, 5% for the team, which I consider to be absolutely fair, 15% for marketing and airdrops, 43% for pre-sale, and 27% to provide liquidity. They already have some YouTubers on board. Obviously, your boy will be here as well, I think, at least. So you guys already know. But it's nice to see, because this essentially means that they have the marketing budget that they are also saying that they have, okay? So they are claiming that they have 200,000 plus for marketing, and they have quite a lot of YouTubers, some other promo as well. So I do think that they indeed have this marketing budget here, guys, okay? They also have those energy drinks that they are working on, and as you can see, every holder will have a chance to win some exclusive Mario energy drinks. And these are concept designs, so they do not represent a real world product, but this looks pretty cool. So yeah, if you need help buying, they also have tutorial how to do it, and this is through Radium. So once they get listed, you will be able to buy it via Radium exchange, so it's also pretty simple, guys. They also have the information email here, and they are of course not affiliated with Mario Bros franchise. They are basically fan token, so this is always worth mentioning, because some people might not know. Then there is white paper, and as you guys can see, they have this nice little white paper on their website, which is very cool and easy to read through. So you have their introduction. It is not just another cryptocurrency project, it's a journey back to our childhood, as I said at the very beginning of this video, guys, where Mario and Luigi captivated our imaginations. Our mission is to bridge the gap between gaming and blockchain technology, offering users a unique and exciting experience unlike anything seen before. The vision is to create a vibrant ecosystem where gamers, collectors, and cryptocurrency enthusiasts can come together to explore, trade, and collect digital assets inspired by the Mario Bros universe. Through innovative gameplay mechanics and community-driven initiatives, we aim to become a leading platform in the blockchain gaming space. Then you have some of their key features. Collectible energy drinks. Mario Bros introduces the concept of collectible energy drinks inspired by the iconic power-ups found in the Mario Bros games. Each drink is represented as a non-fungible token on the Solana blockchain, so they will have those NFTs that will be looking like energy drinks, which is pretty cool idea, to be honest. Gaming integration. Platform integrates seamlessly with popular gaming platforms and virtual worlds, allowing users to unlock exclusive content, rewards, and experiences by owning tokens and collectibles. Community governance, which is always cool, because I always appreciate when projects do have the part where the actual community sort of decides what is next for the project, you know, and actively participates in the development. So all the key decisions and proposals related to the project development and direction will be done by the community, by the holders. Secure and scalable, built on Solana blockchain, offering lightning fast transactions, low fees, and parallel scalability. There is a roadmap and conclusion here, guys. They also have the roadmap section itself, and as you can see, they have it divided to multiple tiers. Tier 1 is building the presence, so onboarding some influencers, of course, community engagement activities. As you can see, they will host AMAs, which I always also appreciate, because it builds the trust and it builds the relationship between the community and the project itself. Cross-chain compatibility, partnerships with gaming communities, listing on major exchanges as well. And then tier 2 is platform development, guys. Launch of the Mario Bros platform, enhanced user experience, integration with gaming platforms, and community voting mechanism. Then they also have expansion and adoption, global marketing campaigns, strategic partnerships, education and onboarding, and long-term sustainability. So these guys do have a long-term vision in this project, which I always like as well. So getting into their pre-sale, it is hosted on Pink Sale, so it's very easy to participate. You connect your wallet and then you can contribute with your Solana, guys. As you can see, they are aiming to raise 50 Solana. Obviously this is just a goal that is set up here because they are definitely aiming to get more, and they will get more. I would say, I don't want to underestimate it, but I'd say like 2000 Solana I think is very achievable here, and I honestly think that it could go even more than that. But what they have here: embark on the first ever Sol project crafting collectible energy drinks, private whales coming. They are claiming to have whales that are ready to pump in another $450,000 into the project. Day 7 they have $100K with a proof, okay. Day 9 150, day 12 200K, guys. And they are claiming to be a renowned team that identities will be revealed at 100 million market cap. There is a contest for winning a share of $5,000. The hint, I mean the task is to find projects, their past projects of this particular team, and the hint, the projects have 50 million, 130 million, 200 million market caps. So pretty cool task, honestly. You can try to find it and win a share of this money. So yes, as I said, in some part of the video they have 200K for marketing, trending bots 24/7, Bitmart listing soon, no tax, liquidity burn, Bros, your trusted partner. So this is how it looks like, and yeah, the liquidity will be burned, so that's also very solid here. So if you guys want to stay updated with all the new things, you know, with AMAs and everything, I would recommend you to go ahead and follow them on Twitter, and especially join them on their Telegram, so you can stay updated with all the new things that they are pushing. And you can let me know in the comments whether you will jump into this one or no, because I'm really interested in hearing from you guys, especially because you wanted me to show you some meme projects. So if you want more of these, let me know in the comments. I will try my best to deliver. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next videos coming out soon.